Okay, as you can see from the previous video, I modify the heights, and when I modify the heights, all the elements that are connected to the height, they go up. I'm gonna do it again with one of them only. I'm gonna go minus 200, and you can see as the beam, the columns, and the walls move with the level which are connected. Okay? If instead of saying from here the level, we place just unconnected, okay, it doesn't let us in a structure. But in the other type of elements, you can leave it unconnected and place a height. So when you move the level, it won't move. Okay? So now, let's create beams. Okay? So we go to level 2, no parapet. Where is level 2? Okay. We go to level 2. And I'm gonna do it in consistent colors so I can see it. And I'm gonna create now beams. As we are working in wood, we need wood. So again, no, we are working in wood. We are working in concrete only for the underground, for the foundation. But in this one, we are working in concrete. We are working in wood. So load family, instead of column, we go for framing, wood, and we have different profiles. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one, open, edit type, duplicate, again, the beams that we want. Okay, I'm going to say 250 by 400, for example. 250 by 400. Okay. And I'm going to create my beam. Okay. All around. Oops. Yep. Okay. Okay. We create the beams. We go to the 3D to see what we have. Okay. And we are going to create one more thing, the beam system. Okay. The beam system, you will select edit type. You will select the type of beam from here. I select the small one. The distance between the beams, I'm going to say 800. Okay. And then I will create just placing my mouse on the beams, on the short span. Okay. We will continue next day.